With safety and ease of use in mind and manufactured according to ASME Section 8 Division 1 Codes and Standards, Pan America is proud to introduce the A2 Hyperbaric Animal Chamber, specially designed for veterinarian use in suitable hyperbaric clinical applications. The following video is meant to introduce you to the design and components of the A2 model. The A2 chamber utilizes a total pneumatic control for easy operation and maintenance. Please refer to the user manual for component details. The bleeder valve remains closed throughout treatment. However, it may be slowly opened towards the end of the decompression process to assist in exhausting residual chamber pressure as needed. The oxygen supply valve turns the chamber oxygen supply on and off. The overpressure release valve is set to open at 4 psi-G to release the excessive chamber pressure. The set pressure knob dials the prescribed treatment pressure. The compression rate knob controls the travel speed to preset treatment pressure. Turn the ventilation rate knob to increase or decrease the gas flow out of the chamber. The ventilation flow meter indicates the ventilation rate in liters per minute. The decompression rate knob controls the travel speed from treatment pressure back to 1 atmosphere. The grounding mat directs static from the patient to the chamber through the plug port to the building and then the Earth's ground. The following video demonstrates a typical treatment operation procedure. After the patient enters the chamber, close the chamber door by turning the handle counterclockwise until the latch pin locks in place. Then pull back the handle to ensure the door is locked securely. Verify that supply oxygen pressure is between 15 and 30 psi-G. Slowly turn the oxygen supply valve counterclockwise, parallel to the supply line. Dial the set pressure knob to the desired pressure setting, clockwise to increase, counterclockwise to decrease. Do not set the pressure above 4.35 psi-G or 30 kPa. Adjust the compression rate by turning the compression rate knob clockwise to increase and counterclockwise to decrease. Caution: turning the compression rate knob all the way to the minimum setting will close the valve and result in the chamber not being able to compress. Once the chamber pressure reaches set pressure, the ventilation can be adjusted by turning the ventilation knob. As needed, when setting the ventilation rate, also adjust the compression rate knob to maintain desired chamber pressure. Monitor the patient during treatment and adjust flow if needed. Upon completion of the at-pressure phase, close the ventilation and compression by turning the knobs to the lowest setting. Turn the set pressure knob to 0 to start the decompression. Adjust the decompression knob to desired decompression rate, clockwise to decrease, counterclockwise to increase. Toward the end of the decompression process, the bleeder valve may be slowly opened to assist in exhausting residual chamber pressure as needed. Caution: turning the decompression rate knob all the way to the minimum setting will close the valve and result in the chamber not being able to decompress. Continue to monitor the patient. Adjust decompression rate as needed. Towards the end of decompression, you may reopen ventilation to help maintain the decompression rate as needed. If so desired, the secondary exhaust valve, also known as the bleeder valve, can be utilized to help exhaust residual pressure. Close the oxygen supply valve, open the bleeder valve all the way, and confirm the chamber pressure gauge is reading at 0 before opening the chamber door. Open the door by pulling the latch pin upward and turn handle clockwise. Carefully remove the patient, then close chamber door. Restore all control knobs to minimum setting. Clean and disinfect the chamber following proper cleaning and disinfecting procedures. Only use approved materials.